welcome back to ChithrArt. This is the class for day 2. For this painting, we are using A4 size paper, crayons, one pencil, one eraser, one masking tape, and scissors. Make the border, stick the masking tape around the 4 sides. Now start from the ground, because it helps to get a base to our drawing. After the house, draw a river. This time, the tree should be little curved 11 mm V. Continue the river behind the tree. Some green bushes behind the house. Now clean the extra lines and darken your drawing. With the masking tape, we will create a round shape to mask our sun. To paint the sky, we will use dark blue and light blue. Like day 1 class, paint the trees and bushes with yellow and green. Start painting the ground with yellow, light green and dark green. This time our house will be having 2 shades. To paint the river, both sides will be dark blue and middle part will be light blue. To get the sharp corners perfectly, use the back side of your crayon. tape. Be careful, don't tear your paper. See, using the masking tape, we got nice and finished look. Now we will see some selected paintings of day 1. Congratulations friends! Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like and share. If you have any doubts, just comment down below. Bye! See you next class.